You don't need any additional software to compress your videos. You can use just VLC media player to compress your videos and it will going to be just fine. You are not going to compromise on quality or reduce the length of videos. Here I'm going to use my VLC media player and I'm going to open it. In a media tab you can press and go to the convert and save, then place in add to select a video you want to compress. Then I'm going to press add. Then this is my video I want to compress. It is original and you can see its size is 185 MBs and 9 length minutes. Then I select it and I'm going to open. After that you can place in convert and save. I'm going to leave other settings as it is and you can select purpose of this video. I'm usually select for YouTube HD because I'm always recording tutorials, and you're going to specify which location you want to save your compressed file. So I'm going to press browse and I'm going to save it as compressed. Then I press save. You can see here. Now I'm going to press start. Then this should take a little while, so you have to wait. For example, my video is 9 minutes long, so I'm going to wait for 9 minutes to complete here compression. Make sure to turn off the repeat mode, because when you turn it on it's going to repeat compression and you're going to lose your compressed file and this will consume your time. So make sure to turn it off and wait for a while to see your compressed video. After some time my video is completely compressed. Then I'm going to cancel my VLC media and you can see I have original file and compressed file. So I'm going to compare it. You can see original file has 185 MBs as it is, and compressed file is 1 and 1 MB, and the length are just the same, so the quality also it will be the same. You don't need to compromise the quality or you don't need to compromise the length of your video. Just use VLC media to compress your video and you see the big result. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this video is useful. You can share to other people. Thank you.